As we work together to build a more sustainable world, decarbonizing the construction industry is not only a pressing priority, but one that poses significant challenges due to the sector's heavy reliance on energy-intensive processes. In addition, traditional construction methods, materials, and machinery all contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Having experienced the time and resource draining, inefficiency, and redundancy inherent in so much of construction through his initial business, New York-based Audomas set out to build something new. A company that could bring together the best software and prefabrication solutions to revolutionize the way buildings are designed and constructed. The result is state-of-the-art design assist software that integrates building information modeling and offers a project data platform for optimization. This technology significantly accelerates the design and construction process, reducing concept to installation timelines by more than 80% and lowering overall costs by 15 to 20% compared to traditional on-site construction. Dextal's prefabricated exterior walls are a game changer too, for both new construction and retrofitting. These walls are designed to be energy efficient, outperforming standard energy codes by up to 40%. This improvement in thermal performance is crucial for decarbonization, directly reducing the energy needed for heating and cooling buildings and thereby cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions. Requiring 20 times less on-site labor, Dextal's prefabrications further reduce the environmental impact associated with more general construction activities.
For me, sustainability goes beyond rhetoric. It's an actionable ethos at the heart of every decision I make. Dextal stands as a testament to how businesses can drive real change, merging cutting-edge technology with steadfast environmental responsibility. Our innovative approach is reshaping the construction landscape, fostering a more sustainable and resilient built environment. Beyond just achieving business success, we're committed to building a legacy of sustainability for future generations.
To create a sustainable tomorrow, buildings today need to get so much better. After all, there are better materials, better technologies, and better processes. Bringing all of these aspects together isn't easy. But what meaningful things can be built in life without facing meaningful challenges too? This is the philosophy and inspiration behind Gropius, an innovative development company co-founded by Bernd Oswald. With its aim to make sustainable living accessible and affordable for everyone, they're quietly reinventing multi-family housing, adopting a fully integrated end-to-end process. Buildings are thus designed ready for construction, saving significant amounts of time and money while also leveraging all of the time, cost, and environmental advantages of serial prefabricated production. Building and assembling them takes twice as fast with double the precision. Harnessing the benefits of smart technology, the company has been able to rise just as fast as its developments, all the while reducing costs and, most importantly, their emissions, aligning with the most ambitious sustainability goals in the world. These energy-positive buildings will soon harvest more energy than they use, becoming part of a distributed energy system of smart grids that feed excess energy back to the local network. Fostering biodiversity instead of destroying it, Gropius's business plan and decarbonization roadmap estimates a total carbon savings of 3.3 megatons of CO2 emissions for all buildings constructed by 2030. Looking at this from a personal carbon footprint perspective, a person living in a Gropius apartment in Germany would reduce its annual carbon emissions of 7.7 tons by a full 1 ton. With a vision to take their business global and significantly expand their production capacity, creating sustainable living for everyone is increasingly within our collective reach.
Find the right partners that help you scale. There are some individuals and companies out there who have truly understood that sustainability is key and that the industry will change. In fact, it's changing already at an accelerating speed. So, my advice is to find those folks and partner with them to make a real difference. Together we can do so much more than we can do on our own.
Growing up with a property developer as a father, Iranian-born Nushin always felt drawn towards the construction industry. first qualifying and working as an architect before later graduating as an environmental engineer. After cutting her teeth as a consultant in the fossil fuels industry, Nushin stepped out and started her own company in 2016, Paxon Energy and Infrastructure. Specialists in providing the technology and tools for major oil and gas producers and utilities to recapture their harmful methane emissions, Paxon is proof that regenerative innovations can have a net positive impact for all parties involved. As one of the fastest growing companies in the US, Paxon is on a mission to galvanize some of the globe's historically worst emissions offenders to not only recapture their methane gas byproduct, but then put it to good use as a renewable source of energy. With major oil and gas producers already committed to reducing their emissions, Paxon's recapturing technology helps to recover 95 to 99% of the natural gas that would otherwise get burned off or released into the atmosphere.
Instead of fearing failure, I recommend thinking of it as a data point. It doesn't need to be a setback as much as a step forward towards a greater refinement and improvement. Remember, fate is what happens to us. Free will is what we choose to do next.